Let's unbox the best adult scooter ever made. Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan and I'll be unboxing an adult scooter today that I purchased online from Mudgear. It's called the Urban Glide and I'm going to be telling you why I purchased this scooter. So, no further ado, right? I didn't see any videos about this on YouTube, so I decided to make one. No detailed video, that's it. So I decided to make one and share the information with you guys. So let's go inside the box. So here we can see where it says age is 8 plus, right? And gives us a 3-year warranty and you get local support. So anything happens, you can get help with it. So it features 12-inch inflatable wheels, 1.7-inch wide flat deck, and convenient kickstand. So they're proving different colors. Let's get inside the box and see what color I purchase. And this is how it is packaged inside the box. So I'm gonna take all the parts out and let you guys have a look at it. So these are what comes inside the box. We have the instructional manual along with the tools. Then we have our handle, the base, and our 2 wheels. And these wheels are going to need air in them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this together. So as you all can see guys, I got the green and black. I like these colors. I saw 3 colors, saw white and red, and I saw black. There should be more colors there, but this is the one I got. So the manual is gonna give us a list of the parts, safety, setup, etc. So I'm gonna follow the instructions in the manual and set up this Mudgear Urban Glide adult scooter. So we're gonna first put the handle on. So here we have 2 bolts that can be tightened with the Allen key. So I'm gonna tighten this first. Not gonna bore you with setting the entire setup. I'm just showing you the steps I'm going through, guys. That's it. So I'm about to put on the wheel now, guys, and I noticed something down here. There's actually a QR code that we can scan this QR code to get the instruction on how to set up the so that's wonderful. So you purchase this here Mudgear Urban Glide adult scooter, and the instruction manual, there's a barcode you can scan so you can see how to get your scooter together quite easily. Arms are pulled together by a single primary. So that's the video that I was sent to when I scan the barcode telling you how to set up the brake caliper. So we're all set. I'm just gonna get the wheels together, get them on, set up the brake, and we'll be good. So on each side, you have the nut and the washer. One of the washer has a lip on it. And there's a hole right there. So we drop this one in, right inside the hole. Place that one down. That's it. One side, finish. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Tools come in handy real well, right? The Allen key even works on the nuts on the brake while I was installing the brake, right? And the wrench, different sizes, different sections. So you need to keep these after you finish setting up, because you might want to change tires, and those parts are supported by the store as well. You can get replacement tires, nuts, etc. from Mud Gear. Now, let me show you the reason why I decided to buy this scooter. So this Razor scooter was the first scooter that I bought. Right, I've had this for years and it still runs well. Basically, the same design, obviously, smaller tires, because the Mud Gear, it gives you big 12-inch wheels, right? We also get a kickstand. I had to make a kickstand to put on this, and sometimes it don't really function properly. Like now, it's not really going down, but I had to try and make a kickstand for it, otherwise I have to just put it to lay down. But I made an adjustment to this, right here. The angle was, this was too short for me. I had to be bending, because the video that I watched, it was obvious that it was a shorter person. So I cut this area and put a piece of metal in between, weld it together to get a higher height. And even when I did that, it was still kind of low. Right, I still had to be bending over. Thus, I decided to buy another scooter. Let me show you that one as well. I bought this one. Bigger one, and it was stated to be an adult scooter from the same company, Razor, right? However, this one can be folded, which was nice, right? And it came with a kickstand. This here can be folded, and it came with a kickstand where I can have it rest anywhere, and I could adjust the angle to any height I needed. But this came with a caveat. This had so much vibration in it because the wheels, they are not pneumatic wheels where they can manage the dirt with the vibration or the asphalt. This vibrates a lot. I could feel it in my head. I rarely ride this, and I've had it for a couple of years. I hardly ride it. I'm thinking about giving it away, right? Because it rides real rough. If it had some pneumatic wheels, then I think this would be an awesome scooter, no doubt. But cannot work with it. Not even my daughter loves to ride it. My daughter loves riding this one. Love to ride. My daughter loves to ride this one. She prefers this one because it's right so comfortable. So let's get these out of the way. Right. So you see why I chose to buy the Mud Gear. Air in the tire can inflate. And talking about inflating the tires, I'm going to have to inflate these. Right. I'm going to check the PSI. See how much air is needed in here, and it says 40, inflate to 40 psi. So I'm going to inflate this to 40 psi, and then I'm going to ride and let you guys see. And I'll tell you how good it rides. So let me get to inflating it now. Here. So I'm going to now inflate the tires. I have here my pump from Milwaukee, a very good pump, guys. So I'm going to inflate these tires right now. Okay, I'm going to set it to 40 psi. Currently it says at 5.5 psi. So let us start. So this tire is saying it's at 8 psi. Both tires are all aired up. Let's take this baby for a ride on the road. One thing that I'll have to get used to is the handbrake. I'm used to the Razor scooter where I use my foot and just, so I'm gonna have to get used to this. But guys, the ride is good. So the ride is very good, guys. It's very comfortable. Real comfortable. So my first impression about this here Urban Glide from Madclear, adult scooter, 12-inch, inflated tires, convenient kickstand. It's a great buy. I think that it's better than my previous 2 scooters from Razor. Right, there's definitely good quality here, good material, beefy metal, quality welding, right? Braking system is of good quality as well. So are the tires, right? The ride I did a while ago was very comfortable, right? The ride on the red scooter from Razor, it's a good ride as well. Smaller tires, but it gave a good ride. But I had to be honking over this. Perfect. This is really an adult scooter, guys. If you're up to 6'2", I'm sure this will work for you. And even if you're a short person, this will work for you, because my daughter, she rode it a bit and she liked it. It was comfortable for her. I'm gonna put a small video up with her riding it. But she liked it as well. I think that she's gonna want one for herself. But yeah, and the scooter is one of those things that gives you a good exercise for your glutes, your cardio, your core, natural. And it helps with your natural movement when it's come on to when you're walking or running, because when you're scooting, you're gonna land that feet right under your center of mass every time. So yeah, goes along with nature. That kickstand out, and that's it. So tell me what you think about the scooters, right? Do you like this Madclear Ultra Glide adult scooter compared to my other previous scooters that I have? What do you use for exercise? A bicycle, scooter, or you just walk or run? Let me know in the comment section. Right, and if you have not subscribed, subscribe to Campfire Fusion, and I'll see you again in the next one. So the ride is very good, guys. It's very comfortable. Real comfortable.